We recently pulled this 1970 Ford Mustang Grande out of a collapsed barn in Cranberry, Pennsylvania, buried under debris, dust, and decades of neglect. Finds like this don't happen every day, and before even attempting to fire it up, we knew the first step was to slow down and uncover the car's true condition. That meant a trip to distinctive detailing, where the Mustang received a full professional detail to strip away years of grime and reveal what was really hiding beneath. With any barn find, especially one recovered from a collapsed structure, cleaning is critical. It exposes original details, trim, body lines, and tells the real story before any mechanical work begins. The transformation was unbelievable. Once cleaned, the Mustang's classic Grande styling and character came back to life, proving once again why these early Mustangs are true American icons. This video is all about the reveal before the big moment. Up next, will it run? After years of sitting inside a collapsed barn, we'll find out if this Mustang can be brought back to life.